Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to design a beautiful cookbook from start to finish in Canva. Today, I'll show you how to create a cookbook in Canva, step by step. Let's begin now. Click the Create button, then enter Cookbook as the name for your new project or document. Or you can select an individual option from the list by clicking directly on it. This allows you to choose a specific item quickly and easily. Now we'll use templates to make creating this much easier. Templates provide a ready-to-use structure, saving you time and effort. Let's select a template to quickly get started on our project. Click on the Templates tab to browse available templates for your project. To add more pages to your document, start by navigating to the menu on the left side. Click on the Add Page button to insert a new page. You can repeat this step to add as many pages as you need. Now, if you want to add a cover, go to the Template library. Use the search bar at the top and type Cover to view available cover templates. Browse through the options and select the one that suits your project. Click on the cover template to add it as the first page of your document. You can then customize the cover with your own text, images, and design elements as needed. This image will serve as our cover page. Select the image you want to use, then position it on the first page of your document. Make sure it fills the page and looks visually balanced. Double check that the image is high resolution for the best quality. Once satisfied, this image successfully becomes the cover page of your project. Set the font size to 40 for a bold, professional look suitable for football-themed graphics. Locate the font size menu, then type in or select 40 from the options. Apply this change and you'll see the text increase in size. Next, click and hold the text box, then drag it to position it where you want on the canvas. Make sure it's centered or aligned according to your design needs. Adjust as necessary to ensure visual balance. Continue modifying other elements or repeat these steps for additional text. This approach creates a strong, cohesive visual impact for your project. Click this button to move the page up in the order. It will now become your main page or cover page, appearing first whenever someone views the document or navigates through the pages. You can also create additional pages which will serve as the back pages of your book. This allows you to customize the full layout and structure of your project for a complete finish. Duplicate this object, then move it down to fill the empty space below. You may want to continue moving it down until all gaps are filled. If desired, you can also change the color of the duplicated object to differentiate it from the original. This helps create visual variety and complete the design. This process is a little bit different from what you might expect. Instead of following the usual steps, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu first. Once you're there, look for the Advanced Options tab. Click on it and a new set of choices will appear. Select the feature you want to enable by toggling the switch. After making your selection, confirm the changes to complete the configuration process successfully. To create a cookbook in Canva, start by opening Canva and searching for Cookbook in the template search bar. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your style. Click on the template to open it. Customize the pages by adding your recipes, ingredients, images, and personal touches. When finished, review your cookbook, then click the Download button to save your project as a PDF or image file. You just learned how to make a stunning cookbook in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.